You need to be posting on social media, and here's how you do it in Profit Lifter. 1, go to marketing. 2, go to your social planner. From here, make sure that all of your accounts are connected. If not, click socials up here and connect any of the socials that you need. Next, we're going to click create new post. And from here, you're going to have options to create a new post, upload from a CSV. You can use social planner templates. You can do content AI, RSS. You can see there's a bunch of them there. So we're just going to go with create new post. We're going to keep it simple. First off, you're going to select where you're going to be posting it. So you can select all accounts if it's going to be something that works. Now, a couple things that I want you to see in here. I'm going to be posting something that has a link, so it's not an actual video that we're uploading. So I'm not going to worry about putting it on TikTok, and I'm not going to worry about putting it on YouTube. Here, these are actually courses. Communities that we have set up over here in our membership area. So this will allow you the ability to post inside of these different communities as well, making it really easy to communicate with people that are in your network. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the Loom video that we are doing, and I'm just going to show you real quick how I'm handling this. Next, I'm going to grab my content that I created in ChatGPT. And you can see right here, that's got all the information. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Now, if you come down here, you're going to see some different options. So you have a Facebook option that will post to feed, reels, or stories. Instagram, same thing, feed, reel, story. You can invite collaborators on Instagram, which is pretty cool. Community options, you can add a title here. You can notify all group members. Please include, or you can select a user to post content for the respective community. So I had this set up for me. So from here, I do want to update this on the community so that it actually has the title on here. So you can see this little red arrow down here says, oops, content missing, title is missing. So we're just going to add that right there. And we're going to notify new group. And from there, you can come over here. You can preview all your posts. You can see how it's going to look. And you can see that right there. Now, one thing is that I'm sharing this Loom video in here, but you see how it's pulling in kind of the generic Loom. Let me show you a trick that you can do if you want to use the actual Loom video itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Loom, and this is a Loom video, and we're just going to download the video over here, and we're going to come back. And now from here, we're going to click upload video. And from here, I'm going to put this, I think I put this under marketing and social media post here. So we're going to upload this video right there. And we're going to add it. So now, instead of having to have the actual Loom video, we're just going to post it just like that. So you can actually see the video right there. Now that I've done this, a couple tricks that you can do is, 1, you can now post this to TikTok, and you can post this to YouTube. And we're going to go ahead and post this. You see we got 2 warnings. Let's take a look. Watermark support has been implemented for images, excluding GIFs. Okay. Now, what this is I had set this up as a watermark, and I'll show you that here in just a second. But we're just going to go ahead and post this now, and we're just going to click post now. And this is just going to automatically post it. Now, the other option that you saw down there is you can schedule your post out for any time. You can set it up for approval. So if you have a team member that is going to be posting for you, you could set it up so that they can create everything, and then you could go through and approve it and post it from there. But you notice it said something about watermarks. Now, one of the things in settings, this is actually really helpful. This is a really helpful tool, is you can come in here to watermark under settings. And you can put your logo in here. And I just have this set up for ours inside of the groups because I don't need it on like our major social media channels. But if you're using generic images, or let's say you're using an AI generated image, something like that, you may want to have these watermarks. This is just a really good way to make sure that if you're spending time creating graphics that don't have your logo, or finding graphics that don't have your logo, that you can impose your logo on it automatically. And that's just the quick version of how you can go through and create social media posts. A couple other things while you're in this social media planner that's awesome. Check out this social listening. So this social listening is actually going to show you social trends where you can start seeing what's happening. Meaning you can look at Google and you can say, okay, here's the trends. Here's our Pinterest keyword trends. Wikipedia page previews. You can see what's happening over there. Which TikTok hashtags are working, breakout songs, popular songs. You see, it's just got a lot of great information for optimizing your account. But the next thing I want to show you is comments over here. This is actually going to let you see any comments that are happening on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. So now instead of you having to go through and log into every account and watch every conversation that's happening, you can literally come into your Profit Lifter account, see any comments, and respond to them right here inside of Profit Lifter. And that's just the base knowledge of how to use your social media planner, so you can get out there and start generating social media posts a lot faster, a lot more effectively. If you need more tips, let me know.